The herd production screen is where you can find all your information from your sensors. You can access this by the herd production tile on the dashboard. There's no data here, there usually would be, but we haven't milked yet this session. If we click through, it'll bring us to the main herd production screen. You can set the date range. I like to look at the last 10 days, but you can have 7 days, 30 days, season to date, or set a custom range. Herd averages. This shows the herd averages for the last 10 days. This is averages across the herd. Individual averages. This page remembers how you set it up last time you were in here. So you may come in and those herd averages aren't there. Just click the down arrow and you'll see them all. So last time I was here, I was looking at my high producers, seeing what they were up to. You can click on any heading in the columns to sort the information by that thing. So if I click on SCC, it'll sort all these animals by cell count. So here I can see my animals that don't have a cell count reading. So these are my lowest ones, or don't have a reading in that 10 days. If I click it again, it'll flip it around and it'll show my highest cell count animals. So that's a bit of a tip for users. Click on any heading and it'll sort this information by that heading. If you want more detailed information on any of these animals, you can click through by clicking on their number. This will take you to the information about the specific animal 756. As you can see, in the last few days, its cell count is going up. This animal probably needs to be looked at, especially compared to the herd average right down here.